countdown. Today is my most favorite place to shop for inexpensive home decor, and it is, well, you already know by the thumbnail, it's Facebook Marketplace. Welcome to the final episode of my top 5 places to shop for inexpensive home decor. And my number 1 place, my most favorite place to shop for inexpensive home decor, as you saw by the thumbnail, is Facebook Marketplace. I love Facebook Marketplace. You can find new items relatively inexpensive to furnish your homes. Yes, new items. There are people who buy pallets of furniture from Wayfair, Overstock, items that have been returned, and these people go and they buy these huge pallets of merchandise and they sell it on Facebook Marketplace for a fraction of the retail cost. Now, who can beat that? No one. That is why I love shopping at Facebook Marketplace, and I have picked up some really great deals. Today, I am going to show you a few of those items that I have picked up off Facebook Marketplace. The last item is my absolute favorite because I paid a 10th, well, maybe 15% of the actual cost. And I don't know what to say. You'll have to see it. I love it. So, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love shopping and home decorating. I love shopping for inexpensive things to decorate my home and make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are interested in as well, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So, let me show you some items that I have picked up from Facebook Marketplace. And leave me a comment down below. Have you ever shopped Facebook Marketplace? I would love to know. And if you did, what did you pick up? Tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see. Alright guys, so that is just a few of the things that I have picked up off Facebook Marketplace. I have saved lots and lots of money. So don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace. You can buy new items as well as used items. I prefer new, but I have purchased used, like the range. The range was actually used in a catering company and it was rarely used. Normal price, $950. $950. She posted it on Facebook Marketplace for $300. I offered her $275 and she took it. That was a steal of a deal and I absolutely love it. It is convection, it is radiant. Oh, I just love it and it was such a great deal. So please keep an open mind. You can furnish your home inexpensively. You don't have to go out and spend tons of money retail when you can buy it nearly new or like new or brand new from Facebook Marketplace. So always keep an open mind. So I hope you have enjoyed my top 5 inexpensive places to shop for home decor. If you have, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the series. And also please, if you like the content, give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel. It lets YouTube know you like the videos I am putting out, so it gets picked up and more people can see it. So I hope you have enjoyed this series. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. Now, one thing I will say, when you shop on Facebook Marketplace, you do have to be careful. Don't go to anyone's home. Don't go anywhere by yourself to meet anyone. Always take someone with you. My boyfriend always goes with me when I pick up something from Facebook Marketplace, or I always meet the person in a retail parking lot like Walmart. Where else have I gone? Walmart, Target, someplace public. So never go to anybody's home and don't go into anyone's home. So guys, again, I hope you have enjoyed the series. I will leave a link for the playlist of my top 5 places to shop for inexpensive home decor, as well as put the video here in the iCards. So please come back and visit me, my friends. I will be starting my fall decorating series on August 1st. We are going to start with Halloween. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays to decorate for in my home, so you don't want to miss it. Last year's theme was all about witches, and I did a wicked manor in my home, and this year it's going whimsical. Yeah, we're going whimsical. I'm not going to tell you just yet what it's going to be. So if you want to know, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So until next time, guys, I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.